He's back. The paper airplane guy. Again, showing you how to make another plane from my new book, The Paper Airplane Guy's Paper Airplane Book for Kids. And it really is. This is really a beginner book. If you got somebody on your Christmas list or any other list, gift list, and they're wanting to get into paper airplanes, paper folding, this is the easy way in. We're going to fold this plane called the Phoenix here, but I want you to notice QR codes that take you to YouTube video. To show you how to make the planes using my templates here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the plane without using the template. If you don't want to buy the book, cool. I'll just show you how to make it with regular paper. All of the templates, the folds are numbered. So you just do them in order. You follow this crease. And a lot of folding templates just have the crease on one side. The cool thing about this book is that as you fold it over, you can see a white line on the flip side that gets revealed, and you want to follow that crease. So shows you where to start moving, shows you where to finish that fold, really making getting into paper airplanes as easy as possible. And again, no complicated folds, you're just folding one direction. You can see that the third step is there after you fold that one. Then you keep going over there and you'll get to the fourth step, etc., etc. It's the easiest way to learn how to fold planes. The planes look terrific, the colors are great. So really, it's just a fun to fold, easy to fly group of planes. And I'm going to show you how to make this plane right here called the Phoenix. That's got a really cool design on it. And for a lot of the planes in the book, the first crease is really easy because there's just a line there. But if you're using just regular paper, you got to make a couple of preliminary creases to show you where that line goes. So we're going to do a big X in the page here for the Phoenix. And again, you don't have to do this if you've got the folding template. You don't have to fold these diagonal folds. You can just start with the third fold that we're going to make here. But since no template, we're going to use a big X in the page. And then where you would start in the book is just take this edge over here, and there'd be a line right here, and then you'd see the flip side guide where you're supposed to make the crease happen. So without the benefit of that, we're just using reference creases, which is really typical of paper airplane making. I'm going to take this corner and move it to the end of that crease over there. And I'm going to fold right down, right straight across this crease, and flip it over, rotate it, and fold it in half. And we're just going to turn this nose into a point here. I'm going to take this short edge down to the base like that. Do it on the other side. And now I'm going to open it up, open up the whole long center crease. I'm going to fold this little flap up over those two corners there and then remake that center crease. And that's going to lock the whole thing right there. And again, we don't have our line here that you would get from the template, so there's a tricky way to make this wing fold. We're going to start at the nose. I'm going to roll this over, keep an eye on that edge right there. When it touches that corner, that is where you make the crease. Flip it over, make this wing match. And you've got a completed Phoenix. Now this guy is a really great indoor-outdoor flyer. You'll need a little bit of positive dihedral, that is, lift the wings up so that they're kind of V-shaped as they leave the body of the plane. A little bit of up elevator here. You could add it there. You could bend it in at the rear corners of the wing. But that is your Phoenix design. This is a great plane. First appeared in 1989 in my book called The Gliding Flight. Really happy with this plane. And it's made even better and easier with the new book. And there are lots of easy planes in here. The Angry Bee is a big hit. Kids love that thing. It spins like crazy. This one tumbles as it flies in you. And there's the Sledderang. Really fun plane. There's the Phoenix. Look at those decals. Ah, terrific looking plane. Lots of great planes. Remember that you've got the flip side guides, you've got the QR codes, and very, very simple folding. You just follow the steps in order. You can get this on my website, thepaperairplaneguy.com. It's available on Amazon. But if you want it signed as a gift, go ahead and grab it from my website. Happy to sign it for you or for whoever you like. And I'm happy to do these planes without the templates to show you how they all work. They're very simple, very easy to fold planes. Just easy, fun planes. Anybody can do these. So if you're interested, please go to the website. Otherwise, stay tuned. I'll be dropping another plane very soon.